All right, so we're at the final part of the how to build a grid table. And as you've noticed, we have this gap right here, and Dove actually likes the gap. So what we did is we put the hardware on, but as you notice, the last piece of hardware is actually resting on top of the grid wall itself. So that's how we got that lift, okay? And we did it for all sides. We have the screw right here that's resting on top of the grid, and the bottom screw right here that's going to be tightened to secure the top base onto the grid. Sal just took care of this middle part. As you can see, we have the top part that's going to rest on top of the grid, and this one that's secured, holding the base and the grid together. And same with this side as for the other side. And this, we don't only do this for the tables, but we do it for pretty much all our racks. Dove likes this little lift. He likes to lift because sometimes when you hang straight bars across, the POP signs get caught when you have the acrylic piece on top. So he likes this little lift, and it'll make sure all the POPs move around freely. And yeah, we just make it a standard for us to just have this little lift. Once we're done tightening all this, we're gonna set up some bumpers and the acrylic piece for the finishing touch. And we're gonna put the bumpers on the four corners, as well as the middle part of the base, and then rest 2x4 acrylic top piece on top of that. So everything's secure. It's just like building an H-rack, a standard H-rack. You guys were probably just a little confused of how cutting it, but it's fairly simple. All you have to do is get a Sawzall at a hardware store, and make sure you have the metal blades that cut through metal, and just cut it down. Just be careful when you cut, because it's a heavy duty tool, and they do or it can hurt somebody. So just make sure you're really careful with that. We got the bumpers on there, bumpers in the middle, the sides. Again, we have the screws resting on top of the grid. That's why it has this little lift. And Sal went to go get an acrylic top piece. And there it goes. We have the table. This is a 24-inch, 4-inch grid tables. If you want to do it 18 inches, instead of cutting it 8 high, all you want to do is cut it 6 high, and it'll be 2 squares shorter.